Hello there, guys and girls. Good morning to each every one of you. Finally, let's now reveal for how much this would be. Guys and girls, congratulate me because I beat my last week savings. From 2,300, now I've got 2,385. 2,384. Congratulate me, guys and girls. And I have a remaining last week 1525 pesos. I know, sorry guys, 23,074 pesos. And when I combine this 25, it's a total of 23,099. See that? So guys, earn 7 joy.